So in whatever position you're in, I invite you to ground in that position. And if you are able to, be in the position where your spine is upright. If you can have your feet planted firmly on the ground, beautiful. If you can have your hands on your thighs, palms facing up, beautiful. And if another position comes to you that is in more alignment with you in this moment, then by all means do that. But just ground in that position. Ground. And take a deep breath in. And exhale. Ground. Take a deep breath in. And exhale. Ground. Take a deep breath in. And exhale. Ground. Continue grounding, remembering your connection to the earth, that ultimate ground. With every breath, ground deeper and deeper into the knowing of that connection. Continue breathing. Continue breathing. Continue breathing. And as you inhale, imagine the breath, the air, circulating every part of your being, infusing every part of your being with that new energy, newness, life, new beginning. And as you exhale, you release what doesn't serve you. Release the old. Release what doesn't belong to you in this moment. Release it with gratitude, with peace, with acceptance. And continue that process of taking in the new. Taking in that life, that rebirth. And releasing, allowing for that death, making space, returning to the earth, returning to the atmosphere. What you used before, but no longer need. Giving gratitude for its presence in your life. And making way for the new to take space. Continue breathing. And ask all parts of your body, your consciousness, what am I holding on to on any level? What am I holding on to emotionally, mentally, physically, energetically, spiritually, any level of your being? What am I holding on to that no longer serves me? What am I holding on to that was never mine? Sit with that question. And allow whatever comes up to come up with neutrality, with peace. Just be a witness. No judgment. Witness it, recognize it, and release it. Release. Release with that exhale. As each recognition comes up of what it is that is there to be let go of, send love and gratitude and sweetness to it, thanking it matter what it was, positive, negative, or neutral. Thank it for its presence in your life, everything that it taught you, everything you learned, and release with that exhale. Continue breathing. Taking in the new, letting go of the old, shifting perspective. Allowing for the change. Continue breathing and just surrender to this process. Allow your being to move in the ways it needs to move. Surrender, release, Continue breathing. Continue this process of release. Any residuals of what you're holding on to. Just release, surrender. Continuing to use that breath as a mechanism to assist you in that release. With the exhale, releasing what doesn't serve you so you can make space. To just make space. To be in the space. To be in the energy of that emptiness, the void, the mystery, where creation happens. Allowing for that space, continue breathing, remembering your groundedness, centering in that emptiness. Bring your awareness back to wherever you need to bring it back to be in this present moment. Touch different parts of your body, bringing your awareness back, making a decision in this moment to release what you can. No matter how small, how large, on any level of your being, set the intention to release. You are brand new in this moment, and every moment you have the freedom to choose how you navigate, how you respond, how you utilize everything. Seeing things from a new perspective. The new perspective that is you in this moment. The new perspective that is you in this moment. The different being that is you in this moment. Continue breathing. Continue breathing with ease, with peace. Settling into this moment, feeling the newness of this moment. You are supported, you are loved by your ancestors, by all the beings in the plant, mineral, animal kingdoms, supported by the directions, the elements and elementals, everything on this earth, everything outside of this earth. We are all one. We are all one, reflections of each other. The one experiencing itself in the multiplicity. And you are part of that multiplicity. So be in that fully, ground in that. Love yourself, see yourself, know yourself.